Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn what is Internet of Things, that is IoT. So Internet of Things, that is IoT, it refers to the extension of internet connectivity into physical devices and everyday objects. These devices are enabled with electronics, internet connectivity and other forms of hardware such as sensors. It allows them to communicate and interact with other devices over the internet. As a result, they can be remotely monitored and controlled. The definition of Internet of Things has evolved due to the convergence of multiple technologies, including real time analytics, machine learning, commodity sensors, and embedded systems. Traditional fields such as embedded system, wireless sensor network, control system, and automation all contribute to the enabling the Internet of Things. In a consumer market, IoT technology is most commonly associated with the products related to the concept of smart home. This includes devices and appliances such as lighting fixtures, thermostats, home security system, and cameras and other home appliances that support one or more common ecosystem. These devices can be controlled via associated devices within that ecosystem such as smartphone and smart speakers. This is the Internet of Things structure. So as you can see, a lot of devices can be connected to the Internet of Things like smartphone, vehicles, home lighting, homes and appliances, personal computers, online shopping, etc. Where does this IoT exist? So it exists in a lot of fields like home for spade feeding, smoke alarm for refrigerator. In transport, it can be used for traffic routing, package monitoring, insurance adjustment. In healthcare, it is used for patient care, remote diagnosis, hospital hygiene. In infrastructure, it's used for security, lighting, emergency alert. And in city or town, it can be used for electrical distribution, surveillance, emergency services, waste management, etc. This is the architecture of IoT. So there are the four stages of IoT solution architecture. The first stage consists of the sensors and actuators. The second stage consists of a data acquisition system and internet gateways. The third stage includes edge IT and the fourth stage includes data center or cloud. Now let's see what is going to happen at each stage. So the very first stage, sensors and actuator is nothing but the sensors are physical devices that are going to connect the information from the real world environment such as temperature, air quality, and the actuators are the things which are going to convert these electrical inputs into physical actions. The second stage is IoT gateway and data acquisition system. So the data from the sensor is going to be collected by the data acquisition system and it is going to store it before transferring to the IoT gateway. Then the third stage is an edge IT system. So it is a platform that filters and pre-processes the data coming from the IoT gateway. It minimizes the volume of the information that is going to be transferred to the cloud. And the last stage is the cloud. So the cloud is a cloud-based system that provides the processing power for the data that was transferred from the edge platform or an IoT gateway. Now the difference between machine to machine and Internet of Things. So in a machine to machine communication, there are a lot of machines. There it needs a maintenance. There is a point to point connection or a point to point communication between the devices. It needs support and updates and it's hardware based. Whereas in Internet of Things, there are things, nothing but sensors. Then it needs cloud or there is no need of a point to point communication and it requires a big data and it's software based. So that's all about the introduction to IoT, that is Internet of Things. Thank you.